we must accept that as an African Union, we are greatly hindered in our ability to effectively execute our mandate by the fact that we have limited resources. And I find this to be quite a challenge, because that inability means we have to always depend on other actors for their support for what we call African-led solutions. And one of the things that we must seriously consider going forward as a continent is that if we truly want to own a process, that if we really want to be masters of our own future, that if we truly want sustainable solutions that are African-born, we cannot do that if we are not in a position to back what we do through resources that